So deep state is in the army.
It's like I said, there's a state and then there's a deep state.
And then there's the army, or the deep state is in the army.
I think I'm going to leave it at it like that. The military, we're a military state. If you understand what a military state is, that's what it is. You guys need to engage the military. Stop telling people's children to say, go and march in the streets, go and do this. You will get people's children killed because you're dealing with people who are armed, who've got grenades, who've got snipers, the best equipment you can ever find. And sometimes we don't understand why muchitadza kubatana. Do you know pane chinhu chinonzi unity of purpose chokuti vanhu vanobatana vanowirirana. Mutadza kubatana kungoti ngativakei nyika takadai. So what's needed right now? It's a non-political, citizens movement. Not zvepolitics izvi zvekuti vanhu vadai iyoyo munonyora iyo moita vana Rev Mutata veve vanokunegotiatirai nevanhu vekujoke kuti toda kuita protest yakadai so. Do you know kuti they managed chamisa pakabuda ma-elections vachishandisa vanhu vavo vanga vari padhuze naNelson. Kuti vanhu vasapinde mustreet. He won that election. And he won the previous one. Vachingomubirira. Their reason being akapinda anenge achicontroliwa neAmerica. America has got nothing to do with Zimbabwe. That country is rich.
There was a lot of gems that you...
No, there was nothing. Listen, what I said people need to demonstrate. Yes, you demonstrate peacefully. The 2017 demonstrations, they were a success because the military was involved. They were coordinated by the military. You understand? You cannot send Vanave Vanu. Can I just finish this talent, please? You cannot send other people's children in an ambush. You understand? Where I live, people dialogue. Australia and China, the relations were not so good a few years back. But you look at it now, they're like best friends because they dialogued. Military, okay, this is not, we think Mnangagwa, a non-political citizens movement, but this is not working for us. You understand? And then they will take it over, not just the military, Joint Operations Command. It covers CIO, it covers MI, ZNA, Air Force, all branches. Peace, ZRP. Amongst
So
others.
Does the army separate from the government present sometimes?
The army is the government present. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, please listen. I'm asking. I've
always said this. Yeah, I've always said it over and over again. The military is the one that is in charge of the government.
So how will it work?
So you need, and they've always been since 1980, and they make decisions for that government. They've always been side. Like
so when will it make decisions for people?
Pause, please. I think there is
Susan,
now some bit of
if it
commotion.
works for the government, and we are to go and talk to it, does it at some point not work for the government?
What do you mean work for? You are talking to the people that is very in power. Do you know if KG6 wants Mnangagwa out today, he will go?
Okay. So that's why I said sometimes it separates from the government.
It's like small. I'll give you a better one. Like Susan and Moyo, say he's alive. And I'll be calling shots. You understand? Per side. kuti ita so. That is the military. Ndichimcontrol out. Famba apa, ita so. You understand?
No, I don't understand.
In layman
but I'm
terms,
hearing you.
Yeah, in
Because-
layman terms, I'm just trying to put it in ways you can understand. The Zimbabwean military is in charge of that government. They are the owners of my boss acho. You understand? They are the ones who put Emerson Mnangagwa in power, and they are the only ones who can remove him. Whether imimi mavota kana kuti amuna, you're actually wasting money going through elections. That's why I said you people need to engage the military. Find my representative. Kuna Ref Mtata. We are a military state. You understand?
Okay.
Military can actually izvezvi masoja anogona kutongopinda woti takuda chinhu chedu takuda kunyatsobuda pachena kuti tisu tiri kurana vototanga kutorana government iyai, because they've always been doing so. Ana Mnangagwa, they just a civilian cover face. Mnangagwa himself is a soldier. Chiwenga is a soldier. Mohadi is a soldier. You understand? So there are a lot of army people, not only those three, a lot of people in that government, they're soldiers. But their boss, there's a state and then there's a deep state. If the deep state does not want Mnangagwa there, he will go.
So deep state is in the army.
It's like I said, there's a state and then there's a deep state.
And then there's the army, or the deep state is in the army.
I think I'm going to leave it at it like that. The military, we're a military state. If you understand what a military state is, that's what it is. You guys need to engage the military. Stop telling people's children to say, go and march in the streets, go and do this. You will get people's children killed because you're dealing with people who are armed, who've got grenades, who've got snipers, the best equipment you can ever find. Zimbabwe owes a lot of money to China. We're talking billions and billions of dollars. That money needs to be returned. Do you think China will accept equity overnight? Another government, ivo vakabata makona enyika avari kurikavha mari yavo. So there's a lot that you people need to do. And another thing, that money that was borrowed, it had nothing to do with you citizens. The military, they borrowed and they partnered up my projects and they did so well. The government, yakabiwa. This is what our legislators, they should be asking. Okay, saka plan our debt repay plan. Tukuidzosera sei mari iyoyo. You understand? Mari iyoyo iri kudzoserwa sei? Pano vanhu vekuzimbabwe vakadzidza stereke vari pano paplatform apa vakaita finance. Voita work nevamwe kutora iti isusu we owe China 17 billion. 17 billion iyi tiri kuidzosera sei? Not to my billion tushoma twamunonyorerwa munewspaper tati. We're in serious debt with China, you understand? That is our boss. So you need to sit down with the military, work out a plan chaiyo yakasimba kuti okay, because they will not give power easily. You cannot dismantle a system that was set up nana zobgo overnight just because of a stick and a stone. No. If you want to send the young ones to fight in the streets, send your children. Don't send people without anything to defend themselves. You're dealing with murderers. Mwana Mnangagwa ordered the killing of civilians. Vanasanya tried to take a fall for it. You understand? And they went to and answered for things. Imagine a unit we command ungonzi vanhu vako vakuuraya uko. Of which vanhu vakaenda ikoko vamwe vacho vakanoshuda vanga vasiri masoja. So you're dealing with people vanhu vane moyo yakaipa. And people always take a fall kuti okay, what is kana adaro mukazofumura kuti zvaitwa naNenge. Do you know kuti in the military right now pane macommanders yavanoripota kuna mwana waMnangagwa kuna Shoniwe. He's also setting up his own little thing. There's an army within an army. That's what I meant.